Hello students of standard 6. Today we are going to have revision of chapter What is this game? We'll have the revision. Dear children, this game is about a chess. Chess is usually played between two players. One is the opponent and one after one. They turn on turn they play and move the pieces. There are 64 squares and 32 white square and 32 black square. This game is played by some pieces. It has got name: king, queen, rook, bishop, knight, pawn. So these are the 6 members, but altogether they have 16 pieces. 16 pieces black and 16 pieces white. And in this board, chess board, there are, if the square chess board is there, so there are 8 pieces, 8 square in a row. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 square in one row and 8 square this down way. So 8 all together it comes. So 16 are white, 16 are black. So chess board, you can see here how the chess board is there. Look at it. And these pieces are 16, these pieces are 16. Is it clear to you? So this is the chess board. And here they say the opponent is very shrewd and we have to be shrewd too. All time the king has to be protected. If king loses, if king is captured by the opponent, game is over. War is over. Chess game was played during the war. And that's the reason, like a war, this game is there. There are foot soldiers, knights, king and queen, and the pawn and players this. They are very attentive because it is mind game. It is a mind game. Here Javed Akhtar is trying to tell, is it these foot soldiers are real? He said they are wrestling to attack. They are ready. They are ready to attack. What we have to assume? He said these pieces are real or simply mere a wooden piece. If it is simply wooden piece, then no interest, no joy for the victory and no sorrow for the loss. Then what is this game? Why to play? How we can play? This should have some up and down, some joy, some sorrow, some interesting. Something should have to get interested. Like king they protect, queen is allowed to move all around. But king is not allowed to move anywhere. He is completely protected by everyone. All time. King is protected all time. And pawn, knights, all they move, bishop, they all move. They are protected. So this game is mind game and played very, very attentively. Dear children, you know how many squares are on the chess board? There are 64. And how many white and how many black squares are there? So white squares are 32, black squares are 32. How many many pieces are there for the games? There are 16 pieces. And Pawan first time can move 2 steps ahead. But after that, only one by one. He cannot take 2 steps. He can take only 2 steps. Dear children, this poem, what is this game, is written by whom? Who has written? It is written by Javed Akhtar. He wrote many songs, many stories for the films. He is known very well in India, especially in Urdu songs, Urdu stories to write. He is also recipient for the Padma Shri in 1999 and he got Padma Bhushan in 2013. He also got Sahitya Akademi Award in 2013. He wrote so many songs for the films and the story for the small screenplays. He is one of the great Indian poet and the writer. Children, this game is very, very interesting if you play properly, put yourself, your mind and have the opponent proper. And you should try to protect the king and continue the game. If you are not attentive, not putting your mind fully, then this game you can easily lose it. Very fast it comes to an end. Understood? So this poem is telling, I wonder this game, why does it have such a rule that once a pawan leaves home, it can never return? I wonder, if this is the rule, then what are rules? If this is the game, then what is the game? I have been wrestling with this question is for a long time. Meanwhile, my opponent moved. So he says that I have been wrestling means I have been thinking very deeply, trying to solve this problem. But while I am thinking, my opponent moved the another chance. He moved his play and mine is waiting. Okay children, learn this fully, properly, understand. Those who know you can play well, those who don't know you can learn. Thank you children. Bye.